You paid the cost to be the boss. Bought with, better than told. Man, thank you, mama. I understand now. See, the wisdom that I have wasn't borrowed and it wasn't handed down either. I had to learn myself what it would mean for me today. It's actually through the trial and error that has made me the person that I am, that's in front of you right now. So many times I see people get online and they give away everything, right? Everything. There was many times that I wanted to quit. Many times when things got difficult and I didn't have an answer for it or I couldn't come up with it. But that was the easy way out, to just quit. But I want to say thank you to Miss Vanessa Bell Armstrong. Prayer still works. What I'm saying to you is that it's something that you have that makes you special and that people are willing to compensate you for. But because we have the luxury of the internet, we will get on this channel and we will let them see everything. Remember what you're doing. You are building legacy for your family. Your family still has to eat, right? Remember when Big Mama would make her gumbo or her special casserole, or your Aunt Kathy, who was known for her banana pudding, and the people would say, girl, you got to give me the recipe, right? But we all knew that Aunt Kathy and Big Mama wasn't giving the recipe away because it is what made them the talk of the town. It is what made the people come to the house when they knew that they were cooking. So much to the point that families, and I'm sure you can relate to this if it's not your family, that created businesses from these special gifts that we all still get to enjoy, right? That's what I'm talking about. Legacy, baby. You got to hold some things back. Not everything is meant to be shown. I remember when I was a hairstylist, right? And this was after I had did the commercial because I was known for my cuts and colors as well as weaves, hair extension, right? And this lady walked into the salon and she talked to me and she wanted to just sit and watch me work. She wanted to sit and watch how I made these hair pieces and cut them and styled them for my clients, right? Now, I don't know about you, but that hit me different, right? Couldn't do that because she wasn't there the late nights with me trying to come up with how I was going to attach this hairpiece to their head and it was going to stay, and how I was going to blend the haircut so it could just flow, right? No, she wasn't a part of that, but she wanted to sit and watch me do that. What I'm saying to you is that people will pay you for what you know, what they don't know, right? At the end of the day, you can't give away the kitchen sink. It's okay when you come up with your little aha moments and you excited and you want to share it. All good. But remember this, there is people that watch you every day. They will not give you a thumbs up, neither will they subscribe to your channel. But because you are doing something that they are interested in, that you have intrigued them with, they will come back every day and they will hit that play button over and over and over again until they have perfected something that you didn't think so much of, that this could really take care of your family, right? But because they have the money and the resources, they will turn around and steal your gift that God gave you. That's all I'm talking about. And put their name on it and will not acknowledge that where they got it from. Right? You can relate to that. I know you can. Look, baby, let me tell you something. You paid the cost to be the boss. You've walked the walk. And you cannot give away what makes you special, what makes you stand out. You can't give everything away. I see women who get on this channel and they do beautiful work, standing on their feet and doing, what makes them special. And for the client to get up and tell them they're not going to pay them. They're not paying for their time. They're not paying for their talent. And all this person want to do is take a picture with their work. Where they do that at? See, I'm an old school stylist, and I'm sure most stylists can relate to this. The 70s, 80s, the 90s, when we was doing them high top and the spritz, the Dudley, you know what I'm saying? Going to the hair shows. Yeah, that was us because we didn't have the internet. We paid for that. And what our clients did, we had a relationship with our clients. What our clients did when they got up, not only did they pay us what we asked for, they also tipped us. See, we were doing business. We were working, taking care of families, cooking, paying mortgages, paying rent, paying insurance. We was doing it all. And people appreciated what we did. So all I'm saying is when you have something that make you special, it is good to be able to share. All good. It's great for them to give you the kudos, the high fives, and all of that. Even better. But don't give away your pots and pans. There is someone out there that will actually pay for a good meal, and they are looking for you. That's all I'm talking about. This your girl Chalee, and this was that tea for your cup this morning. And get busy.